Software Trainings YouTube channel. I am Kumar, Founder Director, TrioTech Software Trainings. So today in this video, we are going to talk about types of reports we have in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Because this is going to be one of the important question in the interview, and also whenever you learn in this particular program, learning about reports is very important, because once you join the organization, definitely you will be experiencing the concept of reports in Oracle HCM Cloud. So many people having a doubt related to the reports. So today in this video, I am going to clear you what are reports in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications and why we have them. For what purpose client will be using these reports. See, generally reports in the Fusion system we have, in order to extract any data from the Fusion application, we have reports. Like we have different modules in our Oracle HCM Cloud. We have core HR, we have absence, payroll, talent, then we have compensation, benefits, ORC. From any module, once clients started using the application in their day-to-day life, they want to extract some data from all these modules in the system. Let's take up example in core HR module. Today client want to extract employee hiring report, like in the month of February, how many employees hired in particular business unit or in particular location. They want to get a report from the system. Or today the HR in the client organization want to extract employee resignation report. In the last 3 months, in the quarter, how many employees submit their resignation in the system. They want to know that data from the application team. Or in the absence module, they want to extract how many employees applied annual leave in this month, or how many employees applied in the last quarter sick leave more than 10 days. They want to get a report. Or in the payroll module, client want to extract for how many employees in Hyderabad location we paid bonus element or bonus payment to them, or for how many employees overtime allowance have been paid. It could be any data from their organization perspective. HRs or the client side people want to extract from the system. How they can do all this? First of all, why this data is required in any company? In order to take the decisions at the management level, they want their data that happened in their company, right? In order to take the management wise decisions, in order to implement any new aspects in the system, or in order to hold any activities that happening in the system. For every business decision that they want to take up, they need data from the system. What is happening in their company? What is happening within their employees? They want to extract different sort of data in the real time. In order to extract all these data from the system, Oracle given 3 data reporting tools in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. They are, we have BA reports, we call it as Business Intelligence Report. Then we have OTBI, Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, and we have HCM Extracts. So these are the 3 reporting tools we have in Oracle Fusion applications. So basically, all the 3 will help us in extracting the data. But in the functioning or the design of these reports, we have slight differences in their behaviors. How to build a BA report, or how we are building a OTBI report or an extract. The concept remains same, but the execution or the functionality wise how to develop that reports, we have different ways for all the three. But ultimately in Fusion system, we have these three types of report. So let us talk about, first of all, OTBI reports. We call it as Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence. Here, OTBI reports Oracle given in order to extract the real-time data in the system. That too without any code or without any logic to be written in here. No SQL, no PLSQL, nothing. No need of writing any query, no need of writing any logic here. Already Oracle given the transactional business intelligence concept in the OTBI, where Oracle given subject areas, module wise different subject areas, within that different business objects, functional areas, Oracle segregated. So just it's a kind of drag and drop. So we have to get into the OTBI, we have to select the relevant subject area of that respective module, and we have to build a report in the system. How to build a OTBI report, how to build a BA report, that we can discuss in separate video. But today I want everyone to be clear what are the different types of reports we have, why clients will use them in the real time. So OTBI, as I mentioned, it's a easy to use tool in the system. Already Oracle delivered the subject areas, we have to drag and drop them and you can build a report. You can schedule the report, you can extract the report, you can automate the report. Many things we have within the OTBI area. Then we have BA reports, more structured format data if you are expecting from the system. That too, large sums of data if you want to extract, or any logical based data you want to extract, then BA reports will be there in the system. BA reports can be built on different bases, but for everything there will be a database where our data will store in the front end what we are capturing, everything will store in the back end tables. We have to use that tables from the database and we have to build our report. Here we have SQL query requirement. You have to write a logic. You have to build your data model with your tables, joins, columns, everything within that data model. There are different other ways also you can build the BA report, but majorly in every project we build BA report data model based on SQL. That is most adaptable and realistic usage way for building the BA report. So here definitely you have to write the SQL code in order to extract the data. So already in our training sessions I'll be covering these topics. In that I used to explain what are the different tables and views we have across all the modules. So where our data will store in the backend. So whatever the report that our client asking, we can build that logic in that report and you can design your BA reporting. So here also we have many concepts. We can filter the data, we can input the logics or conditions in that, or you can schedule the reports, automate that report, you can burst that reports. We have many functionalities in the BIP as well team. And then comes in HCM extracts. This is one of the most interesting and important reporting tool we have. Whenever client having integrations with the third party tool, for example, in our Oracle Fusion, Core HR, Absence, Talent modules client using. Payroll, they might use third party tool. But from Oracle Fusion Core HR module, all the employees data, they want to interface with that third party. You want to transform the data from Fusion to the third party. Majorly, HCM extracts will be used for these reports to build. So through the help of integrations, we can do that data transferring of the data from Fusion to third party. So large sums of data, recurring data, okay, or you want frequent extraction of data and you want to transfer into third party tool. Generally, HCM extracts will be the more preferable choice in the real time. So these are the three reports that we have in Oracle HCM Cloud. Visual type of reports also we have, but they are not a separate category. With the help of BI and OTBI, some diagrammatic, pictographical data presentation we have, the dashboards and visual type of reports. But they are again part of BI and OTBI reports only. So these are the three reporting tools we have in the system. How to configure a OTBI report, or how to configure a BA report, or how to configure HCM extract report, that will be detailedly covered in our regular trainings that happens in TrioTech. But when in the interview you get a question, what are reports, why we have them, I think this video helped you for what purpose we have reports in the system. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Let's join back in the next video with a new topic. Thank you everyone for watching this video.